Alright, with problem number 18, we're to substitute the given values into the formula and solve for the unknown variable. So if you know this particular formula, this happens to be the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. And we're given an a value and a p value. So we start off with p is equal to 2a plus 2b. And we know that p is equal to 46 and a is equal to 12. So we simplify. 46 is equal to 24 plus 2b. That's not a 6, that's a b. And we now subtract 24 from both sides, and we end up with 22 is equal to 2b, and divide by 2, divide by 2, b is equal to 11. Okay, so that's it for number 18. For number 19 then, we're just asked to solve the formula for the indicated variable. In this case, we don't have any values to plug in and to solve, so we're just going to have to isolate the variable pi. And we start with v is equal to 1/3 pi r squared h. This happens to be the formula for the volume of a cone. So, but what we want to do is isolate pi. So the first thing I do, because it's a fraction there, I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. When I do that, the 3 times 1/3 becomes 1. And now I just want to isolate pi, so I'm simply going to divide by r squared h on both sides. And when I do that, you can see that it's not pi squared h. That should be divide both sides by r squared h. And when you do that, the r squares cancel, the h's cancel, and we're left with pi is equal to 3 capital V r squared h. And so that is our answer for number 19. And then finally in this section we have number 20. And 20 also asks us to solve the formula for the indicated variable, and we want to solve for y. So we start off with ax plus by plus c equals 0. Our goal is to solve for y, means to isolate the y. So we're first going to start by subtracting and taking out the ax. And so we have by plus c equals negative ax. Then we're going to subtract out the c. We have by is equal to negative ax minus c. And finally, we're going to divide everything by b. And so y is equal to negative ax minus c over b. And that'll do it for problem number 20. And for this video, we'll finish up 21 through 25 in the next video.